Today we are into the Khodegaon village of the Patan Tehsil in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of central Maharashtra, very specifically Marathwada. Now this is one of the major area where the citrus variety of cultivations they are done. Largely Mosmi. We are into a Mosmi plantation today. Here the Sarpanch of this village is there, Mr. Ulsar. His brother is there, his son is there, and Veer sir is there. Veer sir is known for taking maximum production largely into the monsoon flowering season, right? Where he told that within
Murabba.
yeah, monsoon flowering,
Hmm.
Magh Bahar,
Hmm.
or monsoon flowering season, where in minimum can say plantation they take maximum productivity. Now here we are into this plantation where the plants are properly developed. There is no doubt in it. But the problem lies in dropping of the sap.
Fruits.
Now the dropping, there are different reasons because of which the dropping is there. But the major reason where we identified is because of the nature of the soil where more watering is required, probably the less watering is given. This is one of the major reasons because of it. Second, as the overall flowering was less in this, now the fruits are less. So the farmer or Mr. Hulsar is planning to go for the monsoon flowering in upcoming times. We are in the first week of the May, where the resting and the stress period they are started. Now, in resting and stress period, there are some of the things which needs to be taken into consideration. Number one, during resting, the watering is completely done. Now, when we are done with the watering, here the slowly and slowly the stress is developed. Now, during stress time, here we go for different types of fertigations, particularly the fertigation through fertigation along with different other chemicals, wherein whatever the leaves are greenened, here the content which is developed because of the photosynthetic activity, that content is slowly and slowly transformed into the stems. Because of it, the stem is properly developed. Once the stem is properly developed, in the first week of the June, when normally the arriving monsoon is there, the monsoon shower they occurs. If that doesn't, then watering is required in the very first week. So here the farmer need to take care of all these things. If they are done naturally, the production of the farmer increases. Now, in Mosami or into oranges or in different types of citrus plantations, largely three different seasons of flowering are there, but mainly the mango showering mango showering time, which is then the month of December, January, where the flowering is done. That flowering is mainly taken across the central Indian parts. But in some of the areas, even the monsoon showering flowering is also taken. And the resting period of both is different. Like in mango flowering season, the resting period starts in the month of November. So November, December. These are two mainly months where the stress is given. But prior to that, after harvesting, the resting is done. But as far as the mango flowering season is concerned, largely in the month of April and May, here the resting and stress seasons periods they are there, and here the farmer need to take the required medications and all these things. So here we are going to imply our planning and the techniques, wherein we will try to ensure that there will be more flowering in the upcoming season.